Alright, on 2004 Chevy Suburban, replacing the control arm, this right here, and the lower ball joint, which is going to be right in here. What I've had to do so far is unscrew this from this using 10mm wrench, and then cut this right here that was holding this in place. I went ahead, unscrewed that castle nut right there. It goes at the bottom. The new one comes with a pin as well, so what I need to do now is remove this, and then probably have something to catch the hub under just so it doesn't fall. I don't know if it'll fall or not, but eh. And then also, don't forget, I have marked where this was at on the caster. I know it's a little hard to see, but I can see it from here, yeah. Here, I'll just get all angles, so if I need to look at this again, oh no.